Why do I keep shutting off the video? Okay, let's see. Right now we only got... Dang, that's a lot of likes. Right now we only got 100 likes. Wait, never mind, 300 likes. 300 likes. Okay, let's see. 500 likes. Oh my god.
You turned it off again, huh?
No. Okay, 5,000 likes. It already hit 5,000 likes. Looks like we are taking the YouTube channel to the movies. Oh, there's our fire truck. We light it up yesterday.
Oh, let's go bring the phone and record it inside of it.
Yeah.
You might do that.
Daddy, say hi. Dad, say hi. There's my dad. And there's a SpongeBob belt that belongs to him.
Yeah, but it's broken. Show that.
He lost SpongeBob. There's my dad's room, and there's outside. Like always.
For picture day, I was wearing the SpongeBob belt, and he was taking a picture of me. Ha ha ha! That's so Michael, give me that jacket. I need it. What's that jacket?
Right?
No, I need it up. Yeah, the jacket's right there.
Where?
Right on the tractor.
It's, oh my god, how?
And I still lost my jacket.
Oh, wow. Wow. But I didn't want to mess up the camera video. Whatever you guys call it. Okay, yeah. How does this thing not lock in there?
Oh, just go pull that up.
Yeah, I did. And oh, there it goes. Pull it down. It's still.
Wait, let me try from the outside.
I'm done. Oh yeah. Comment down below if you've seen this rock before. Okay.
I closed the door on the outside and it worked for a second. I was like, Ian! And I was like, the YouTube is still on.
Yeah, I know.
That's crazy. I almost locked myself outside the house.
Okay. It is so dark in here. Hi, Omi. Hi. Okay. Okay, guys, this is where we're ending the video. I'll make up a new YouTube episode whenever we get to the movies.
And this is disaster.
Yeah. And by the way, peace out.